getting them two wheels off the track. But I got back on the track quick enough to not mess up the other people